Guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing a Samsung Convoy. It's in really good shape, but the ribbon cable is broken, so the screens do not work, and I don't have a battery in it, so yeah, I don't have a battery in there. So we're going to start with the backdrop in 3, 2, 1. So there, it took a hit right there, towards the top a little bit. I'm not used to this camera, I'm used to the Note, so it's kind of weird. I'd rather use the Note, but the slow motion is way better on it compared to the X. I've checked them both out. Little nick right there on the front too. So now we're going to do the side drop in 3, 2, 1. Definitely hit right there on the edge. Right here on the rear, definitely. Alrighty, so now I'll do the face down drop. In 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it definitely took some nicks on the sides. Didn't crack the camera lens though. Took some scuffing right there. Looks to be in still the same condition, minus some scuffs. Doesn't look like anything else is coming apart on it, so let's go and do the open face down. Alrighty. In 3, 2, 1. Looks like it hit up here towards the top. And then, let's see, it doesn't look like it hit anywhere else, maybe the bottom right here. Looks to be in still the same shape. I don't know if it works or not. The LCD doesn't look broken though. So let's go ahead and do the throw test. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, dude. She's still good. I got a gloss protector on the camera lens as well. We're gonna do something different about the Note to get the slow motion. It looks like the hinges is broken. Doesn't want to shut. Doesn't want to stay open either. Huh, that's weird. Hit right here, it looks like. Took kind of damage all over the place, truthfully. It doesn't look like it damaged anything inside, so. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.